Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durda.
Well, as you just saw from Stephen J. Gray, we are dealing with some low-lying fog over portions of 595 in Broward. And as you can imagine, that fog will stretch all the way west to the interchange of 75 and possibly over Alligator Alley this morning. Why the change? Well, this morning we do have some cloud cover in place. You can see on the satellite moving into southern Miami-Dade and down by the Keys. Those clouds are producing some precipitation over the Keys, but Miami-Dade and Broward, there's no rain on the radar, but with our humidity level around 90 to 95% and our dew points skyrocketing, that means there's plenty of available moisture at the surface. So therefore, that allows for that fog to develop once we have clear skies overnight and some very calm winds. So all the ingredients are there, so just be careful as you're driving into work. Otherwise, the showers that we're noticing on the radar mainly affecting portions of the Keys, near portions of the lower Keys, Big Torch Key dealing with an isolated shower, and just east of Marathon and Grassy Key, we do have a line of showers developing. If they hold together, they will continue to push towards the northwest. Temperature right now 79 degrees in Miami, 77 in Fort Lauderdale, 75. Pompano Beach, 76, Pembroke Pines and Miccosukee, 80 degrees in Key West. As I mentioned, with the winds calm, we only have our wind speeds reported in Miami at 3 miles per hour. That's helping to keep all that surface moisture in place and providing for that dense fog you're dealing with this morning. This is all occurring ahead of a frontal boundary that is located in the northern portions of Florida. I know it doesn't look very impressive on the satellite and radar composite, but it is going to push towards the south and bring us drier, more comfortable weather as we go into the middle and the end of the week. We just got to get through today. We still have plenty of available moisture in place in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere, so that could help squeak out an isolated shower here or there. But once that drier air moves in, it'll be comfortable, feeling like fall with less humid conditions as we go into the next few days. But for today, we're going to keep that slight chance of showers in the forecast. By all means, it will not be a complete washout. Let's go to the tropics. 2 areas that we're watching: an area of low pressure moving northeast, just east of the Bahamas, maybe a threat for Bermuda in the days to come, but will not affect the United States. And one more area we're watching is an area of low pressure just east of the Lesser Antilles. It is headed towards the west-northwest with a 20% chance of tropical cyclone development. If it does develop, it will head towards the Lesser Antilles in the days to come, and we'll keep our eyes on it, but it doesn't look like it's going to have the possibility, that window of opportunity to develop, as the conditions in the environment that it's moving into are unfavorable, but we'll watch it. Threat of rip currents for you beachgoers today. The bay will be smooth for you boaters. A great day to be out on the boat. No advisories for the Keys, near shore waters at a light chop. Highs today in the upper 80s and low 90s with some scattered afternoon showers possible. Lows in the mid to upper 70s. So we'll have that front start to move through tomorrow. Once it clears Wednesday night and into Thursday, we're expecting clear skies, mild and breezy conditions.